This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up an electric guitar. First, gather your essential tools such as a reliable electronic tuner, a set of feeler gauges, and a precise ruler. Also, have the appropriate Allen wrenches for your guitar's bridge and truss rod readily available. Always ensure your guitar is tuned accurately to standard pitch before you start any adjustment process. This careful preparation ensures consistent and reliable results throughout the setup. Next, we address the guitar's neck relief, which is the subtle forward curve of the neck. To measure it, hold down the low E string at the first and last frets, then check the gap at the 7th fret using feeler gauges. A common target for neck relief is about 1/4 of a millimeter. Adjust the truss rod slowly, turning clockwise to flatten the neck and counterclockwise to add more relief, always rechecking after small turns. Now, let's refine the string action, or height, by adjusting the individual bridge saddles. You will want to measure the height at the 12th fret. A good starting point is about 1.75 millimeters for the high E string and 2.25 millimeters for the low E string. Following this, we set the intonation. This crucial step ensures that all notes across the fretboard ring true, adjusting each saddle so the fretted 12th fret note matches its harmonic. Finally, adjust your pickup heights to achieve the best tonal balance and output. Press the high E string at the last fret, then measure the distance from the string's bottom to the pickup's top, aiming for about 2 millimeters. For the low E string, target a slightly larger gap, around 2.5 millimeters. After these adjustments, tune your guitar one last time and play through your amp. Enjoy the optimized feel and sound of your perfectly set up instrument.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.